Hey, what's up everybody? It's that guy Skimpy. Hey, in one of my previous videos I was making the Midwest finesse jig. Well, Do It Molds came out with the Ned rig bait. Look at this thing. 8 cavities. And if you notice, there's only one chamber, which makes it super simple to do laminate baits. You just use your dual injector. Shoots perfect almost every single time, and I haven't had any problems whatsoever. So I'm gonna go over the plastic we're gonna use today. We're gonna use this Do It Molds plastisol. One of the questions I get frequently is, does it float like some of the other Ned rig baits? You know, does it float? Yes, it does. For the most part, all plastisol does float, unless you have sinking additive or salt, or even if you put way too much flake in it, it might sink a little bit. But like I said, for the most part, the most plastisol floats. Do It Molds plastisol definitely floats. And I actually have a I'm gonna put the bait in the test tank just to show you guys after. So the color we're gonna be making today is an Okeechobee Craw. I love the color Okeechobee Craw, and for some reason it's hard for me to find baits in Okeechobee Craw color, especially Ned rig baits. So the color we're going to be using is the Midnight Blue, and with the Midnight Blue we're going to put some Silver Flake and some what is it, Marine Blue? No, I'm sorry, Canadian Blue glitter there. And for the other side, we're gonna use some green pumpkin, and we're gonna use this Canadian Blue and some black flake. Before we get started, I want to go over a little bit of safety. Safety is super important. You always want to wear a respirator. This stuff doesn't smell the greatest, so you always want to make sure you wear a respirator. You always want to protect your eyes, so wear eye protection. You also want to wear gloves. Another thing I do is I wear a long sleeve in case any kind of splashes or whatever. I have a fan on behind the camera here. It's going to be turned on high here in a second, and I'm going to open the door. You want it in a well ventilated area. I pour in a shed here, so keep the door open, keep the fan blowing. So yeah, man, I'm ready to get started. I just wanted to do all the talking now, because once I put the respirator and stuff on, you're not going to be able to hear me. All right, guys, that guy Skimpy. All right, guys, so they came out awesome. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it on the Midwest Finesse jig. So how I do it is I put it all the way down until you get to basically, I guess, what they call the egg sac, and then you push up. That's all it is. So now it's time to play. We're gonna put this in the test tank, and we're gonna check out the action. All right. All right, guys. So here it is in the test tank. Let's see if it floats. Does it stand straight up? So as you can see, it's all slack line, so so I would say it works. There it is in the test tank. All right, guys, so there you have it. The Ned rig. Love this mold. I actually took it out the other day, caught a couple, and I love the action. As you can tell in the test tank, man, stands straight up, floats. It's good. All right, guys, thank you for watching. You know, I super appreciate all the subscribers and stuff, all the comments, likes, shares, all that stuff. Shout out to Do It Mold, shout out to C2 Castware, shout out to Trigger Happy Comfort Grips, shout out to Living Rubber. All right, guys, thank you for watching. What's up to my boy Andy back there? That guy Skimpy, please subscribe.